United Kingdom Visas and Immigration has recently published flexibility in visa rules, with health measures all through the system, to make sure a straightforward experience for all visa applicants, especially international students.
Brightest and the best.
Changing the UK
Single global
immigration system.
New flexible UK rules announced for students. United Kingdom Visas and Immigration is permitting arriving international students to apply for study Tier 4 visa when they are due to come to the UK before the start of their course. This denotes that students who have already attained admission can start their courses online and apply for a study visa when they are ready to do so. The UK students completing courses via online will still be allowed to apply for the graduate immigration route on condition that they are in the UK by April 6, 2021. VFS Global, the visa services partner, has applied uniform protective actions across all its UK visa application centres. A compulsory online appointment system monitoring the body temperature of all visa applicants at the entrance and preserving physical distancing are being adopted. According to information from United Kingdom Visas and Immigration, nearly 50,000 student visas to the UK were permitted to Indian nationals in the year ending March 2020. This was a 136% upsurge from the year ending March 2019. UK Visas and Immigration Regional Director for South and Southeast Asia, David Radcliffe, stated, "Over the past couple of years, we have seen an enormous increase in the number of Indian students choosing the UK's world-class higher education system as the destination for their studies. In spite of the difficulties of COVID-19, we are sure that hundreds of thousands more will join their fellow citizens at university in the UK this autumn. For those passengers, our message is well defined: your safety is our main priority. Throughout the UK visa application process and your journey to the UK, we are taking precautions to make sure you are safe and protected." Furthermore, the new graduate route is promised to open next summer, meaning those students coming to the UK this autumn will be able to apply for 2 years extra post-study leave to kickstart their career in the UK. For more details on student visa for the UK, please click the link below. Our video ends here today. You can also comment below if you have any questions regarding your UK visa applications. Thanks for watching today's video update.